What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you the best VPN to use whether you are inside or outside of Bhutan. There's a lot of cybercrime in Bhutan, and protecting your online security should be a top priority, especially when you are on a public Wi Fi. Obviously, the best way to stay safe is by using a VPN. And of course, if you're outside of Bhutan and you are trying to unblock a specific website or streaming services, such as Netflix, that exclusive, you can use the Bhutan server within this VPN. I've tested a dozens of VPN and this one always comes at the top. The name of the VPN is Surfshark, and this VPN has got more than 3,200 servers within 99 countries, and you will be virtually be able to secure unlimited devices within just a single subscription using Surfshark. And it's just one of the best VPNs out there. Super easy to use, a lot of value for what you're paying, and you get all the necessary security features and don't have to pay all that much for it. You get 30 days money back guaranteed. So if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back. And of course, you will be able to find the links to the pricing and discounts in the description down below.